What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My car actually broke again yesterday and it blew the fuel rail out of the injectors due to the bad O-rings. I got new ones, Bosch originals, and I'm going to change them now. Later today we're going to be installing livery on the car, and I'm just going to continue with fixing some minor stuff because there are a lot of things that needs to be fixed, but we have all the time now, so we're going to... Okay. As you can see, everything was in fuel. Yeah, that wasn't the best scenario ever. Okay, so everything focus. Okay, everything is mounted, and let's see if it's going to start. It's working. This literally was like $3, and yeah, that issue costed me $30 for roadside assistance. That's kind of annoying, but that's E36 life for you. And cheap parts, never cheap out on the cheapest stuff. I thought it was a good one, but yeah, it was shit. So the Bosch ones are better, and let's hope that they're going to hold on for a while, as I don't want my car to burn to the ground because of few issues. Yeah, and we're now going to go to the beach. After it, quick car wash, and it's sticker time. Okay, see you later. It's now time to put the livery on, or the stickers or whatever. We are going to have to clean up the car in order to be able to put the stickers and for them to not leave the car. Yeah, now we're going to finish eating waffles, and then we're going to start cleaning up. Okay, so we finished with installing the livery. It's basically a couple of stickers on the car, and that's going to be for today's episode. I don't know if we're going to be drifting on the competition or if we're going to go drifting with Ini, that's behind the camera, but only the next few weeks are going to tell us. I'm starting a new job, that's something that you don't care about. Anyways, and see you next time.
Smells good.
Ja. Merci Oration, te.